SIGER Data Precision Machining Digital Intelligent Application Case.
The Huda V85, a 3-axis vertical machining center with high rigidity and torsional shock absorption, is used for parts processing in high-precision industries like precision molds, automotive, and aerospace, addressing thermal deformation from prolonged machining and temperature changes. SIGER Data provides a thermal compensation management system, ensuring the machine maintains stable precision output under various production rhythms. 1. Structurally coupled thermal acquisition and compensation algorithm. High-precision PD100 sensors collect real-time temperature data from the X, Y, and Z-axis screws. This data, combined with the machine tool's structural and motion parameters and an XYZ spatial calibration system, is analyzed by an E3+ edge computing system to build a dedicated thermal error compensation model. 2. Intelligent thermal error correction for various work scenarios, for seasonal and daily temperature variations, as well as intervals during long-term or batch processing. The system continuously monitors and dynamically adjusts compensation parameters. This prevents recalibration or accuracy deviations caused by temperature changes, reducing overall thermal deformation errors by 70–95. 3. Modular deployment and expansion capability, compatible with multiple systems. The system integrates seamlessly with FANUC CNC systems and can be installed within 2 weeks without interrupting production. Its modular 4-in-1 architecture allows for expansion with TMS, TCS, and AMS, extending thermal compensation into full-process intelligent management. Compatible with multiple CNC brands, it is widely suitable for machining centers. Choose SIGER Data to help your business reduce costs, enhance efficiency, and achieve worry-free production.